Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper. Jones, you already know the vibe for today. I got my boy Doc with me, long time friend, man. I've been knowing Doc for a long time, and he got me into sneakers. I'm gonna drop a video on a later date, more about that. Make sure y'all tune into that. But introduce yourself, bro. Tell them who you is and what you got going on.
Right now, my name is Doc.
Right now?
Yeah, like he said, I got the sneaker room. So we're gonna show you guys, I guess, some of my sneakers, not all of them. Some that Snipe, I guess, can relate to and some that he like.
No, but now, very quickly before we go in, when I first started getting into sneakers, this dude was like he collected everything from Jordan, Air Force One, Kobe, you name it, and he really helped me start my sneaker collection here in Atlanta. I always loved sneakers, but he had me it's very hard to hang around people that have as much sneakers as him and be as active in the sneaker community and not get yourself involved.
All this guy was talking about is foams and pennies. I'm just like, bro, you gotta open up your your collection, man.
Hey, I've been really excited to do this when we're in this brand new crib, in this brand new sneaker room. So without further ado, let's check it out, bro. Let's go in and see it. Okay. Damn, he don't even trust me with the code? I walked in here the first time, this is my first time ever coming over his crib since he got the new crib. Yes, I seen what you did on your gram, I seen bits and pieces, but I didn't see the whole thing. Now this is not even all your shoes.
Nah, because I mean, I can only put a few. Yeah. Because all the space is gone, so.
And I do YouTube, I take pride in my setup. I've seen a lot of setups because I hang with a lot of other people that do collections, but this is just so clean, so cool, bruh. Everything's so organized, and basically, we're gonna walk y'all through some of this heat, some of the stores we actually share together, because even though some of these shoes are old, we still cop these shoes together when I first started out collecting in Atlanta, man. So let's start over here, bro. You can show us some of your favorites from each one, and then we can get through it.
Top row, I would go with the DB4s.
Man.
Everybody was on DBs back in the day.
Yup.
But this was one of the hardest ones to get.
These DB4s is crazy. The only person I know that got these is you, my boy Unbreakable. And I think DNA got one, the DNA show. But yeah, these are hard. These are hard. And you actually wore these a few times too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, these are crazy.
Kids like when I wear these. All right, so my boy, he probably gonna kill me for this. But I actually got these in a trade. This one, we were saying Yeezys were hot. So I traded a Zebra 350 for these.
Bro, hold on. This dude, right, when the Zebra Yeezys first came out, they were reselling for a ridiculous amount of money. Yeah. $1,400, $1,500, the Zebras, right? This dude traded 2 pair of those for these. Like Zebras now go for $300. Yeah. Dead stock. So to see him get some off-white blazers, the original 10. Wait, do you remember what year these came out?
I think the year he got drafted.
Right?
Yeah, because it was
2003.
Yeah.
So if I'm not mistaken, this pair came out around 2003. This is the only model Carmelo Anthony I even like. But this is so old. We're the one with the Jordan. Yeah, this one got the Jordan hang tag, right? And this is back when the hang tag used to come with a card that flips out. And they'll tell you the name of the shoe. This is the Carmelo 1.5. And they don't even make shoes like that no more. This is the true essence of a sneakerhead. This is a DS pair too.
That's when the shoes had stories. Now they're just making up all type of crazy stories, man.
So you got the with the Kobe's up there.
With the Kobe's. I got these right here. The masterpiece. This was the last of the Prelude pack.
Yup. All right, look. This wall has some of my favorite stories. It's between this one and this one, right? Because this is when we first started kicking it, first started hanging out, and it got some funny stories. So we got a lot of Kobe's up top. Let's start with the undefeateds though, bro. Those are one of my favorites.
So I got a story for the undefeateds. One of my friends hit me up and was like, "Hey, let's go to All-Star Weekend." The All-Star Weekend was in LA. They had a raffle. The line was crazy. People were going crazy because obviously they're Kobe's. Waited outside for like 14 hours. So we get this shoe. Actually, Kai.
14 hours?
Bro, I didn't know Kai's wore a size 10.
Okay.
So he was trying to buy my people. Everybody was like, "No, we waited all this time."
Kai, stop trying to buy people's shoes, bro. What are you doing?
So Kobe came up to an event later that day. Everybody was trying to hand them shoes to get signed.
Yeah.
Security pushing people out the way.
Dang.
And I was just happy to have the shoe, man. But I mean, to actually get this shoe in person, I actually see Kobe that day. It was pretty dope. I think that was the last All-Star game in LA.
Another one of my favorite Kobe's you got is this with the. I think these are the.
You like the what this, huh?
Yeah,
oh yeah.
yeah.
You remember what the Presto?
Yeah.
Like,
always goes with the Presto so
bro.
bad. But I actually like the 8s more than the 7s. I own the 7s. But the 8s are one of my favorite. And obviously, due to like Kobe's untimely passing, these have skyrocketed up in price. But then when you get to the LeBrons, bro, yo, the birthday LeBrons is crazy. And this is why I say he's a real sneakerhead, because in here, you don't see off-white everything. You don't see only Jordan 1s. You don't see, it's a mixture. And a lot of this stuff has to do with you actually loving the culture and actually loving shoes. Bro, please show him the LeBron birthday. And he actually has the suitcase still with the shoe.
Yes, sir.
I mean, when these came out, bro, when I was living in Cleveland, it was crazy.
So with the birthday LeBrons, the details, they had the birthday cake in the inside.
Fire.
And like you said, I guess, you know, when you make so much money, you don't have bags or carry your wallet. So LeBron had the little tote bag or whatever. Got the South Beaches that they re-released.
This is OG though.
Yeah.
The OG of South Beaches.
Yeah.
This is what started the LeBron hype, bro.
Yeah. When he went down to Miami after he left Cleveland. Oh, I got some Aunt Pearls. You know, people were going crazy when Aunt Pearl 4s.
I got the 4s.
That was the first one that came out. So
those are the 5s?
Yeah, these are the 5s, and then they just went on it after that. But every time KD would come out with Aunt Pearl, people would go crazy.
That's probably like one of the best old Nike basketball shoes. That's back when Nike basketball was dominating.
Yeah.
I got the Aunt Pearl KD 4s. All right, now look, like I was saying, this is my favorite section of his collection, because some of these shoes, majority of these shoes, I was with this dude when he bought them, and the stories with them are crazy. Y'all remember when the Yeezy first dropped? It was a very specific amount of colorways.
We never knew what the Yeezy looked like in person. So go ahead.
This was one of like the first original Yeezy models. It was this colorway. It was an Oreo colorway. It was a solar red colorway. He had a deal to go get this pair. We knew nothing about Yeezy, right? So we meet the dude at Cumberland Mall. If y'all from Atlanta, you know where that mall is. And he G-checked the dude because he thought the shoe was fake. So he's like, "Hey, bro, I'm not paying for this. The shoe is fake." Because it says supply 50 backwards. So Doc just thought it was like a terrible job. And so he went off on the dude.
No, you remember we went to Champs?
Oh, yeah,
I'm like, "Hey, yo, is this shoe real?" And I'm talking to like the employees. They're like, hey bro, these shoes are real.
Yeah.
I'm like, "You sure?"
Yep.
They like, yeah. Are you okay? I'm like, "Man, the supply backwards." And at the time, the prices were crazy.
Yeah, man.
So that was a steal at the time.
Yep. This is around like the release where I met you for the first time.
Yeah.
Because the first time we hung out, this pair was dropping, and we was like, I don't know about this new 350. I don't know if it's gonna the V2, because at the time only these were out, right?
Yep.
So they had like the Turtle Doves, they had the Oxford 10s, and they had like the Pirate Blacks. But this one just hit the market. They sat. You was the only dude that bought a pair. I didn't buy a pair. None of the dudes we hung out with bought a pair, and now the Beluga go for a lot of bread
with the Yeezys. So it was a runner time.
Yeah,
and like,
I remember.
I like duck boots. I don't know where my duck boots are, but this actually gave me like the duck boot vibe. Yeezy was hot at the time. So this guy was selling this boot for like $500. I think they retailed it like $400, I believe. But I was like, shoot, I'll take a jab at it. I got them. I put them on. My favorite boot of all time. Actually, one of my favorite Yeezys of all time. But like
the Yeezy 950, I don't even know how many people own it.
Every time I wear it, everybody like they either try to buy it or they ask me where I got it from. I mean, you rarely see them on StockX or Gold or even on eBay.
You got the 750s up here. I mean, it's hard to find the 750s now too. I don't think they make these anymore. He got the Jeremy Scotts here. Like I said, just a great variety of shoes. You see the Shaqs here, questions, answers, kamikazes, everything from the Jeremy Scotts to the For Real Human Race NMDs. So out of all these ones, what's one of like the dopest pair for you? You can't pick no UNC joints though.
All right, well, you can already see.
Oh yeah.
Look at the heel.
Should I tell them the story about my pair? So we were working together at a job. We was working at Dick's Sporting Goods warehouse together. And I bought it. Is this the same year?
Yeah.
2017?
Yeah.
Okay, these came out 2017. I hated Jordan 1s. I didn't like them. I was like, yo, they make my feet look long. I don't want to wear them. Yeah. They trash. I bought them because he taught me into buying them because the leather quality was amazing.
Crazy.
And I fell in love with the Jordan 1 at that point in time, but times was hard, so I sold this pair. I like to get it back. I see you also, what's cool about his collection is he got like a few remakes, right? So for example, he got the Fearless Jordan 1, right? These are fire, but he also got another pair with it rubbed out, right? So that same little gloss over is rubbed out, so you can see how it looks with the gloss and without the gloss. These actually look better in my opinion. This is fire. I know a lot of people did that with the shattered backboard, and you did too. You want to show them that one?
Oh yeah,
shattered backboard.
So, you know, the shattered backboard originally comes with the gloss, but you know, if you like Jordan 1s, you like, you know, the leather. That's what people. Oh, you know, the shattered backboard's got the best quality.
Yeah.
Off the leather, but I mean, over time, the gloss actually kind of
fade by itself.
Also, like he was saying about Carmelo, these Jordan 1s right here.
The Black History Month.
Yeah, the Black History Month, and I think they had like Carmelo on the inside. Carmelo with Morris Blackman with Michael Jordan.
That's fire. I didn't even know that.
Yeah, that's when he was with the New York Knicks.
I can get it zoomed in. Okay.
You're probably one of the only dudes I know that have Jordan 2s in his collection. I know Jordan 2 is now doing an Off-White collaboration, which is like later on.
Not everybody on it.
And they 2 lows at that.
Yeah,
so,
bro.
I see you got some OG Jordan 2s. You got Jordan 3s, the fragment joints, that yellow super fast. Any sneakers here that like, you know, stick out to you, which is crazy. You got, I mean, you gotta start with the DB5s at least.
All right, so the DB5s, I actually got these when the Nike was doing like raffles.
Yup.
So you had to confirm and then pick up and everything. I actually got these here in Atlanta, and I actually lived in North Carolina at the time. And the rest was history, man. Like I said, DBs were big at the time.
Yep.
Now it's like either Jordan is going away from it or they're not putting as much as they used to.
Yeah. And or these are motocross joints?
Yeah, yeah.
Got the motocross 6s here. This is like another classic pair. Really love these. The DB8s here, which is
where these work.
Yeah, this is where those will work. But the DB8s might be like one of the most popular DBs out of like all, right?
Yeah.
The DB9s. I mean, come on now. The DB10s. Like this dude used to wear these shoes to work. We worked at hold on, let the camera, baby. We worked at a dirty warehouse, right? With that's why he laughing. We worked at a dirty warehouse, and he knew I love phone pauses, right? He would wear the DB phones to work just because he knew I wanted these, bro. He used to antagonize me. That's what type of dude he was. He would antagonize me, bro.
All right, so
I love the Off-Whites too, bro. You got how many collections? How many of these you have?
I only got 9. My girl told me I had to stop, bro.
I only got 9. You said I only got 9. What you want, all 50?
I mean, well, come find out. I guess the U.S. only had a certain amount.
Yeah.
And then I guess
I think we had like 23.
Yeah, and I think Japan had like a certain amount. I don't know where. I don't know where they like broke it down, but only saw it like certain colors in the U.S. and I was scared to buy overseas. I don't know if it was fake or if it would come or anything. So I just stayed in the U.S. I like the Green Bay Packers. So this was definitely a must.
DB Dunk.
DB Dunks, and the kid that made them, his name is Joey Bates, and Clay Matthews was one of his favorite players. So.
Oh, State, baby. Let's go.
Remember these? We both got.
We both got these at the same time. These are like one of my favorite pair of SBs. The De La Soul joints. I remember these. The Supreme more up tempos. He still got the foam in the collection, which I respect because he know I love my foam.
Oh yeah, you gotta have the OG pair, man.
Got the OG pair. I even got these now.
And then look, your boy came up short, but hey, he did his thing. People didn't think he was gonna get the max.
Facts.
People didn't think he was. I was like, bro, they gotta get him the max after this series, dog.
Yeah, man. He got the DB13s, which is probably like the worst DB. Nah, those 14s are bad too. But these DBs, bro, you remember the DB more up tempos?
Oh yeah.
Glow in the dark outer sole, the lightning bolt on the toe box. Yeah, these were sick, man. I didn't even see you had the DB12s over here.
Oh yeah.
Dang.
You got the basketball on the back. All the sports she liked, and then she loved her family, so that they got the detail where her family in the inside, and then she loved to eat pizza. So
like when he was showing me around the crib, he showed me like his closet and stuff, and he still have shoes that's like not in here. So and all the way, by the way, get the floor. It's sneakers in all of these, right? So We could do like a whole nother part 2. It's like a whole nother closet. It's still sneakers, but I had to come through and do this with my boy. The collection is crazy.
Appreciate it.
Make sure y'all tap in on my boy Doc, man. He does everything from photography, videography, especially if you local in Atlanta.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna drop his Instagram down below. And go ahead and talk to the people, man.
Hey, like you said, this is his first time coming over. Appreciate you coming over.
Always, bro.
Yeah, if y'all local, if y'all need pictures, videos, whatever, hit me up, hit Snipe up. Let's work.
Absolutely, man. But right here, sneaker collection down below in the comments right now. I ain't gonna cap. This shit is a 10. Everything from the setup, the versatility, bro. Anybody can just get a bunch of hype stuff, bro. Like, you actually got KD3s and KD5s and Mellow 1.5s and Reebok answers in here. Like, that's what we love, though. So until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous. We're really putting in that work, though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.